Welcome to Innovation Hub, a fun and engaging activity designed to help you debate, collaborate, and think critically about real-world challenges while building essential decision-making and teamwork skills. This game is a simulation designed to develop your argumentation and discussion skills. By the end of the activity, you'll learn to debate pressing social and political topics, make informed decisions, take responsibility for your community and environment, strengthen teamwork and presentation skills. Let's set up the game. Divide the class into 2 groups. Each group represents a team with the task of solving real-world problems. Select 3 students to form a jury. They'll evaluate the solutions presented. The facilitator acts as the committee president, overseeing the discussion. Here's how the game works. 1. Each group gets a problem to solve. Examples include waste management, green spaces, or cultural inclusion. 2. You'll have 10 to 15 minutes to brainstorm solutions and create a visual presentation using posters or slides. 3. 2 representatives from each group will present your ideas to the jury. Each speaker has 4 minutes. 4. The jury asks questions to challenge or clarify your proposals, and your team gets a chance to respond. 5. After presentations, a debate begins. Teams defend their ideas while trying to convince the jury their solution is the best. After the debate, the jury evaluates the proposals and declares the most convincing solution. If your class is large, you can have multiple groups and topics, allowing everyone to participate. Finally, reflect on the activity with these questions. What were the biggest challenges in decision-making? How did you feel responsible for your choices? What made a proposal convincing? Arguments, delivery, or teamwork? How does this experience relate to solving real-world problems in your community? Thank you for participating in Innovation Hub. Together, you've explored critical thinking, collaboration, and the power of innovative ideas. Now take these skills beyond the classroom and make a difference.